though, right? How much is it? $60. Comes with the headband, I think. Oh, little Doge bags.
The wooden katanas. With the things, with the metal.
The sheep, okay. Cool. Okay, so we got 62 and 63. Comes with ramen, egg, and then looks like a salmon, cooked salmon, with fish egg and rice. Looks pretty good. Okay, you choose which one do you want.
I think this is mine.
Okay, they're about the same. One is miso and one is salt. It says the salt ramen. Okay, so first sip. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't like it. Soup is good? Yeah? Oh, you got something on your nose. You got a little dust. How's the soup? Good? Let me try mine. Mine looks like the miso soup. Miso ramen soup. Okay.
Probably got mine.
Oh wow. It's
It's really warm too.
yeah, a lot of flavor, but not, and it's you can taste the oil, but it's not greasy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. In Reddit, they said this is the #1 spot for ramen.
Can I try yours?
Yeah.
Yours is different.
Right, let me try yours then.
I like mine better.
Okay, this is my son's.
Mine is like better.
Oh yeah. Different.
Yeah,
I think you got the salt ramen.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, okay.
Should I try with this soup?
However you want.
I just like it like this. This is good.
Yeah, the texture is good.
Yes, really good.
Do you think? Okay, let me see.
I need some egg.
Oh, egg too. How's the egg? Good? Okay. Let me try the my noodles for the miso soup ramen. Okay. Wow. The noodles, the texture is firm, but soft at the same time. And then you can taste the soup too, right? As you're eating the noodles.
Also,
Oh, this-
I like the meat. The meat's awesome.
The meat, I'm gonna eat it with the meat this time. Like this. Wow, that's amazing. Oh wow. Let me try the egg too. Egg with the soup. Wow, that is good. That's a good egg. I can tell the egg was marinated in a sauce, for a little bit, but it's not too salty. Very nice. The fish egg, as you eat it, it pops in your mouth like boba, like popping boba. Tastes like that, but it's like a salty flavor.
I want to try some.
Very nice. So
Make
it
some
looks
soup
like,
also.
yeah.
Because it's kind of dry. The rice is kind of dry.
Very nice. And then the soup. Wow. That's good combo. You like it too?